The next station is 東京.
Finally made it to my hotel. The whole journey was a little stressful. So last time you saw me, I was at the YVR airport, and flight took off maybe 10 minutes later, but we did arrive early. So originally we were supposed to land around 4, and I think we landed around, I want to say 2:15. But the whole time there was a baby that was crying on board, and so that was fun. And I stopped by 7-Eleven on the way to the hotel. I'll show you what I got. I got an onigiri, and this is the kelp and soy sauce one. And then vitamin C, because I feel like I need to like dose up on this, because tomorrow I'm going to Kyoto. But then like the whole machine was just like so confusing. I didn't film it because like I just wanted to get out of there. And then I think she like understood because I had a luggage with me, and she's like, oh, like credit card. And so I'm like, okay. And so I just paid like quickly, and then like got to the hotel, and here I am. So I'll give you a quick hotel tour. Okay. When you walk in, this is the door. There's like a little closet, and then the bathroom is like right here. Very compact, very small, but a good size for me. And then it goes into this little bedroom space. This is, I believe, a double bed, and then there's like a TV, a mini fridge, and then yeah, just the window. So there you have it. Perfect for, I would say you can squeeze 2 people, but wouldn't suggest it. Good morning. I had such a rough night. I ended up sleeping, I believe, 7:30 or 8 at night. And then I woke up at 1 and went to bed. Woke up at 3:30. Couldn't really fall back asleep. And then I knocked out again and then woke up at 7. But hopefully I had enough sleep, but I honestly feel tired. But today is Kyoto Day. It's currently 7:30. I just took a shower, and then I'm just getting prepared before I have to leave to the station. Kind of chilly this morning. It's like 2 degrees, I think, but on my way to 7-Eleven.
目にはぼんやりとした霧街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が
Surprised they didn't have much selection about the breakfast. I think maybe it bought out already, but who knows.
瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界がよく
Let's go through the hall. So, instantly had to get some sort of breakfast. I got this green grape, like muscat juice, I could say. The muscat grapes here are just like next level, so I'm really excited to try this out. I ended up getting like a rice ball that had egg and just rice. The last thing I got were these mints. So if you're ever in Japan, you have to get like this brand of mints. They have so many flavors. Good morning. I had a pretty decent sleep last night, but I came home feeling really tired last night and just weak. So I was like debating on what my plans were going to be today. I'm gonna go to Shimokitazawa, which is for all the vintage shopping and thrifting. But I just took a shower and I'm just getting ready. It's about 9:20. I ate a scone for breakfast, and then yeah, just gonna organize some stuff before I head out. This is the outfit today. I'm just wearing a black t-shirt, skirt, and just my shirt, but it's still kind of cold outside. But everything is from Aritzia, so I kind of want to be comfy today. But first off, I'm going to be going to Jins to get some eyeglasses. So I just did my eye exam. It was really quick, and then I took a while to pick my frames, but I found the one and I just gotta wait 10 minutes.
見つめるだけ何もない
I made it. 40 minutes of the train and I'm going to the first vintage shop.
思い出すのは夢の代わりにある中で
Currently just chilling on the side of an alley because I'm hungry. But I just purchased my first designer vintage bag and I found this place on TikTok, but I got a Celine purse and I'm so happy about it.
家に行くのが一人じゃないのに闇の中で見つけられるものはこれが夢なのかね
On my way to the 6th floor, or I don't know how many floors Uniqlo is, but I just finished up at GU and I'm gonna make my way there.
触れるものも見えぬものも通り過ぎ去ってゆく響く足音遠くから正体知らぬ影が来る冷たい風が髪を撫でささやきだけが闇に舞う
なんで
何もない
Back in the hotel room, take a rest. It's 5:30 and I'm just gonna freshen up and rest before I go out to dinner. But I want to show you guys a quick haul. So first off, I went to Shimokitazawa. Didn't buy much, but there was a shop that I found on TikTok and I waited till it opened and I literally found something like instantly. I walked in the store. I'm trying to find a very good Celine wallet or purse. And I know purses can be out of my budget. So here she is. She's so cute. And it comes with like a gold chain, but fell in love right off the bat. And there's so much space inside. They had so many different types. I didn't film it because it was a really small store. So I'm really happy with that. And then after that, I went, where did I go? Straight to Ginza. And I checked out GU and Uniqlo, this 7-floor Uniqlo, or 8. I originally wanted the embroidered bag, but I didn't realize that it was kind of pricey. So the bag itself, which I got just the basic black one because I have a beige one at home. This was 1,500 yen, which is like 13 bucks Canadian. And they had pre-made ones with the embroider on it, but for some reason they added an extra $30 for the embroider on it. So in total, with the bag and embroidered, it would come out to around 4,500 yen, which is like 40 bucks Canadian. And I'm just like, seriously? Like just for embroidered? So I got this heat tech and I got pants, trousers, but I had to get them hemmed because short girl problems, but got them hemmed. I'm gonna be picking them up tomorrow and it was so fast. It was only $3 to get it hemmed and I was like, might as well. I got matcha. The thing is, I was looking for Ikebukuro matcha and I couldn't find it. So instead, I have no idea what this brand is called, but I got one for my mom, one for me. And yeah, that is the haul for the day. I'm gonna go head out to dinner soon and I will talk to you guys maybe later at my dinner.
何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で揺れる虚無の光とかで思い出すの
I tried a crane game and I won on the first try. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. So I ended up trying again and again for that one toy. It was like a seal with sushi on top of it. I even got the guy to ask like to fix it for me and he fixed it, but I literally spent I think $6-7 on it and then I gave up. So I'm gonna go get myself some ramen now. Your girl just came back. I did not go to Ichiran because when I went there, it's a huge lineup. But I ended up getting udon. I just ordered with the machine, and then there was an option to take out, which, you know me, I prefer that. So I got it to go. I just got like a simple, like a noodle soup. And then that, surprisingly, that was only like $3.80. And I was like shook. But it comes like this, and the soup's at the bottom, and then I just have to take the top plate off, which has the noodles, and then just dump it in. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, I ended up going to, I think it's called Gigo, but it's like an arcade full of crane machines. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay, udon was bomb. It was very basic, but definitely what I needed on this cold day. Speaking of cold, I ended up getting ice cream in the packet, so let's try it out. When I picked it up, it was like hard solid, so it's still pretty tough. So let me just break it up a bit. What? You can push it out, or I guess you can just like suck it from this. But wow, it's like a little icy, but it's really smooth. It kind of reminds me of IKEA ice cream, but I think this is more milk based. But definitely try this out if ever you go. I forgot to tell you guys or show you guys my new glasses. So I picked up my glasses from Jins. It comes in this little case. So you just open it like that. So I'm gonna wear these to work. It was a really quick procedure. I just did the test, and I'm so obsessed of how they turned out. I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna be wearing these to work, or apparently it's for everyday use. So yeah.
代わりにあるがガラス記憶の中できる形のない思いの罠冷たい夜の孤独だけ心を締め付け続ける目覚めることのない夜届かぬ光をただ見る探すたびに遠ざかる闇の中で全て消える何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で言う
Welcome back to another dinner. I ended up getting Yoshinoya. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much like a beef bowl. And I've gotten it in LA when I was living there a couple times, but I wanted to try it in Japan because this is where it's from, and apparently it's like legit. So it was smelling up like the whole train. I felt so bad. And it was like during rush hour, so I was like, dang it. Like, I hope, you know, no one like really notices, but here we go. And so far off the bat looks decent. Looks pretty good. So let's do like a little taste test. Way more tender than the one in LA. Definitely hits different. Yep, definitely worth the hype. If you ever go to Yoshinoya in Japan, do it. I mean, it's not like amazing like you would get at other restaurants, but if you just want a snack or something like late night, this is the go-to. You know what time of the day it is? It's haul time. I spent a lot, including the tattoo, but I'm gonna show you guys the first purchase. I've been seeing this iPhone case placed everywhere, and I decided to get one, but here's the first case. It's so cute. A little pricey, but it's definitely a souvenir. And then the second one I got is like a really famous one that everybody's been getting. It's this like convenience store vending machine case. Next I went to Brandy Melville, as you can see in the blog. So the first top was this cute little one that reminded me of like cherry blossoms. But apparently Brandy here fits different. Like since the Japanese people are pretty small, I guess like it fits better. And then I got another one that just the stripe and like lace details. And then the last purchase I got was this Tokyo crew neck. I was like, oh my gosh, when I saw it, I fell in love right away. Next purchase I went to was a place called Liberty Walk, which is kind of like a car enthusiast place. Their stuff was a little pricey, but I lucked out and got children's size. So this is their t-shirt. It has like a little Liberty Walk on the front, and the back is what caught me. So look how cool that looks. I think they gave me a poster. So let's try to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Of course it's a Lambo, but that is amazing. And then the rest of the things I got were just like postcards. I really wanted a license plate that said Japan on it, so this one is a must because of the wave. I ended up going to get some gashapon, and that's pretty much the haul for today. It's about 6:30 to 7, and I'm on my way to get some dessert at 7-Eleven. So Courtney's been hyping up this shaped as a grape. It's ice cream. So I'm gonna go get that, try it out.